Welcome to the forefront of military innovation. In today's video, we'll explore the latest advancements in military technology, showcasing groundbreaking weapons and vehicles that redefine modern warfare. From robotic platforms to aerial drones, prepare to witness the future of military superiority. Let's dive in. Palmatro Door Blaster. In the pursuit of apprehending criminals, soldiers often encounter the challenge of breaching doors without alerting the occupants. Traditional methods like battering rams prove to be noisy and time-consuming. Enter the Palmatro Door Blaster, a lightweight breaching tool that swiftly and quietly opens doors, leaving minimal debris. Say goodbye to the noise and hello to seamless operations. M3 Amphibious Rig. Crossing rivers posed a significant challenge for the military until the advent of the M3 Amphibious Rig. This versatile vehicle transitions seamlessly from land to water, deploying pontoons for buoyancy. It can form ferries and bridges in minutes, ensuring no obstacle hinders military maneuvers. Sig MCX Vertis. The Sig MCX Vertis redefines rifle versatility with its modular design, offering over 500 configurations. Equipped with a folding stock and a two-stage trigger, it delivers accuracy and reliability in any environment. No terrain or element can impede its performance, making it a formidable asset for security forces. M1150 Assault Breacher Vehicle. Weighing 72 tons and armed with a 1500 horsepower engine, the M1150 is a behemoth designed for clearing minefields. Equipped with a 15-foot wide mine plow and a linear demolition charge system, it ensures safe passage for troops through hazardous terrain. Ghost Camouflage Tank. Inspired by its namesake, the Ghost Camouflage Tank renders itself practically invisible to thermal imaging systems. Armed with a 120mm compact cannon, it enables stealthy engagements, giving the military a decisive advantage on the battlefield. DARPA Captive Air Amphibious Transporter. The DARPA Captive Air Amphibious Transporter is a tracked vehicle prototype operating on a 1:5 CAAT scale. Utilizing air-filled pontoons attached to its tracks, it effortlessly transports standard containers from ships to shores, eliminating the need for harbors. A vital asset during disasters, it frees military ships to focus on their core tasks, ensuring swift and efficient response. Navy LCAC. The Navy LCAC, Landing Craft Air Cushion, is a high-speed amphibious landing craft with a payload capacity of 75 tons. It can easily access up to 70% of the world's coastline and surpass conventional craft, navigating diverse terrains. With front and rear ramps facilitating rapid offloading, it's the go-to vehicle for transporting weaponry, cargo, and personnel in amphibious operations. Kalinin K-7. The Kalinin K-7, an aircraft from the 1930s, remains a marvel of engineering despite its short-lived existence. With 16 staterooms, a radio room, and more, it epitomized luxury in air travel. Weighing over 83,000 pounds when loaded, it showcased impressive capabilities before its unfortunate crash in 1933. Camouflage Ka-52. The Camouflage Ka-52 helicopter boasts unparalleled firepower and maneuverability, earning its place as a premier reconnaissance and attack aircraft. With a vast array of weapons and exceptional agility, it operates precisely just meters above the ground, making it a formidable force on the battlefield. Drone Gun Tactical. In the era of drone warfare, countering enemy drones is paramount. The Drone Gun Tactical, a portable mitigation device, neutralizes suspicious drones without causing damage. With a range of 2 kilometers, it disrupts drone operations, enabling troops to maintain the upper hand. Doggo. Inspired by the Doggo Argentino breed, Doggo is a tactical combat robot with state-of-the-art features. Armed with cameras providing a 360-degree view, it swiftly identifies threats and neutralizes them with precision, boasting accuracy akin to a skilled marksman. With its point-and-shoot technology, Doggo instills fear in adversaries, making it an invaluable asset in anti-terrorist operations. Canine Vision. Recognizing the vital role of service dogs, Canine Vision ensures their safety and effectiveness in operations. This multifunctional system comprises goggles equipped with cameras and speakers, allowing handlers to see through the dog's perspective and issue commands from a distance. With its ability to record video and audio, Canine Vision enhances communication and situational awareness, safeguarding the lives of these courageous companions. Military Vehicle. The movable bridge-building military vehicle is racing off our list. It is a combat support marvel that transforms tanks into instant bridges. When faced with impassable obstacles, like deep rivers and ditches, this vehicle unfolds into a ready-made bridge within minutes. Armor protection and high-speed maneuverability ensure seamless mobility for military forces, bridging the gap between missions. Ripsaw M5. Straight from the USA, the Ripsaw M5 unmanned mini-tank redefines versatility and speed. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour and a payload capacity of 8,000 pounds, it's armed with a 30mm cannon and a 7.62mm machine gun. Equipped with various reconnaissance drones, it's a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield. Step into the future with the enhanced version of the F-35 pilot's helmet, offering augmented reality displays that provide essential data and a 360-degree view. Features like night vision and optimal center of gravity design enhance pilot capabilities like never before. Anti-aircraft gun for ships. German and Swiss collaboration brings forth an anti-aircraft gun for ships boasting a rapid rate of fire and precision targeting. With 152 ballistic elements per projectile and versatile targeting capabilities, it's gaining attention from countries worldwide. Rapidly deployed barrier system. HESCO Gabions. HESCO introduces a modern twist to the age-old military fortification method with its rapid barrier system, Gabions. You can construct a 33-foot wall with reinforced steel blocks in just 20 minutes, offering enhanced protection against various threats. Compact Tactical Drone. Designed for law enforcement, this compact tactical drone offers reconnaissance and surveillance operations versatility. It's a game-changer in tactical situations, with features like a hybrid camera, glass breaker, and tactical strobe light. Multi-purpose armored vehicle, Boxer Bridge Layer. Germany unveils the Boxer Bridge Layer, expanding its family of multi-purpose armored vehicles. With the capability to erect or repair a bridge up to 49 feet in length within minutes, it offers unparalleled mobility and versatility on the battlefield. Turkish Modular IFV. Turkish engineers showcase a modular infantry fighting vehicle, IFV, equipped with an unmanned turret that caters to diverse operational requirements. Both tracked and wheeled variants are available. The IFV boasts up to 62 miles per hour and capacity for 12 personnel. It integrates advanced weapon systems and active defense mechanisms for optimal protection. Autonomous Turret System. Stepping into autonomous defense, a cutting-edge turret system enters testing phases, offering combat and observation ranges exceeding half a mile. The ability to engage up to 10 targets autonomously or under operator control represents a paradigm shift in precision targeting and situational awareness. Swedish patrol vessel. A stalwart of naval operations since 1991, Swedish-built patrol vessels continue to serve as vital assets for reconnaissance, coastal defense, and military support. With impressive cruising speeds, extended ranges, and regular upgrades, these vessels remain at the forefront of maritime security. HDT Hunter Wolf. To meet the HDT Hunter Wolf, a robotic platform tailored to meet the demands of infantry soldiers. Designed by American company HDT Global, this mobile system is engineered with soldiers in mind, offering unparalleled versatility and reliability. With its stable six-wheel base, the Hunter Wolf navigates rugged terrain with ease, capable of carrying up to 1,000 kilograms of cargo for extended periods. Its robust performance was proven in rigorous tests, surpassing competitors in endurance and agility, making it an indispensable asset for infantry units. Lift Aircraft Hexa. Step into the future with Lift Aircraft's Hexa, a remarkable one-seater drone that blurs the line between reality and science fiction. This futuristic vehicle boasts 18 independent electric motors and propellers, providing exceptional stability and control during flight. With its carbon fiber construction, the Hexa achieves remarkable agility while supporting passengers weighing up to 113 kilograms. The Hexa's potential as a military asset has attracted the attention of the U.S. Air Force, hinting at its possible integration into future military operations. Bazina Riot. Safety is paramount for law enforcement when confronting aggressive crowds. Enter Bazina Riot, the world's most potent riot control system to protect officers in high-risk situations. Resembling a formidable moving shield, Bazina Riot consists of 3 parts, a sturdy base structure, and 2 water cannons connected to specialized tanks. With adjustable dimensions and robust construction, Bazina Riot provides unparalleled protection against projectiles and hostile threats, ensuring the safety of law enforcement personnel in volatile environments. Guardian S. The Guardian S takes surveillance to new heights with its innovative design and advanced capabilities. Resembling a mechanical serpent, this remote-controlled robot navigates narrow and challenging environments with ease, equipped with high-quality cameras and a suite of sensors for comprehensive situational assessment. Whether inspecting confined spaces or conducting military surveillance, the Guardian S excels in gathering critical intelligence while keeping operators out of harm's way. OR-3 Patrol Robot. Transforming law enforcement patrols, the OR-3 Patrol Robot offers a revolutionary approach to urban security. Developed by OTSAW in Singapore, this autonomous robot operates tirelessly, enhancing public safety with its unyielding vigilance. Sporting a friendly demeanor, the OR-3 instills community confidence while deterring criminal activity. Equipped with advanced sensors and facial recognition technology, it serves as a force multiplier for law enforcement agencies, empowering them to address security challenges effectively. "5-watt Green Laser Dazzler System." In non-lethal weaponry, the 5-watt Green Laser Dazzler System emerges as a potent tool for crowd control and tactical operations. Emitting a directed green beam, this compact unit temporarily blinds individuals, disrupting hostile intent and enabling swift intervention by security forces. With infrared capabilities and rapid deployment features, the Dazzler system provides a versatile solution for law enforcement agencies, ensuring effective response to dynamic security threats. T-Rex Modular Combat Vehicle. Redefining versatility in armored vehicles, the T-Rex Modular Combat Vehicle offers unprecedented flexibility for military operations. Developed by the American company T-Rex, this innovative platform consists of interchangeable modules attached to a robust chassis. From ambulances to personnel carriers, Each module serves a distinct purpose, seamlessly adapting to evolving mission requirements. Equipped with advanced sensors and a centralized control system, the T-Rex provides real-time data for informed decision-making on the battlefield. Skywall 100. Rounding out our selection is the Skywall 100, a portable system designed to neutralize enemy drones. Developed by OpenWorks Engineering, this device employs parachute netting to ensnare drones mid-flight, forcing them to land safely without causing damage. With its innovative aiming system and rapid setup, the Skywall 100 provides military forces with a reliable countermeasure against aerial threats, ensuring airspace security in dynamic environments. And there you have it, folks. The pinnacle of military technology is right at your fingertips. If you found this video insightful, remember to hit that like button and subscribe Wizard for more cutting-edge content. Until next time, stay curious, informed, and safe on the battlefield.